Welcome to Crypto Builder. Let's reach financial wealth together. Welcome to Crypto Builder, how it works. Crypto Builder. 3 matrices: tortoise, ambitious, and liftoff. We're going to go through the tortoise first. Each matrix is about identical to each one, just the different amounts of entry fee. The first one would be the $20 tortoise level, slow but steady and affordable for most folks. You'll have 6 levels to it. You bring in 2 people, you pay $20. You bring in 2 people, that leaves $40. The upgrade fee is $40. There is no profit on level 1. Moves you automatically into level 2, which requires 4 people to move forward. So the 2 people you brought in and the 2 they brought in will make the 4, and along with that you'll have $160 income, of which you will have an upgrade fee of $80 to go to the next level, and you will have another position bought for you in Matrix 1, one more position. After that you're going to go to level 3. That's going to require that you receive 8 payments of that $40 to that position, and it will give you $640, right? $640 is a $260 upgrade fee to go to level 4. Out of that, you're going to get $300 in profit and purchase 4 more level 1 positions in Matrix 1. Then you're going to go to level 4. Level 4, you will receive 16 payments of $260, which is $4,160, less the upgrade fee, which is automatically deducted for you, of $1,040 to move to the next level, less the 16 positions that will be bought for you automatically into the matrix system to start all over again on the tortoise system. And level number 5, you will receive 32 payments of $1,042, which is a total of $33,280. The upgrade fee to move to level 6 is $3,000, as you can see here. They're going to subtract that from it and purchase yourself 59 more positions in this tortoise system level matrix 1. And when you get to level 6, also when you get to level 5, by the way, as you can see, it will automatically deduct $100 from your profits that you made on level 5 and put you automatically into the ambitious matrix down here below. Starts with 100 and works the same way as the one up above does. So you get to level 6 at 64 positions are going to be sending you $3,000 each. That's $192,000. Less the $100 that's going to get you into the ambitious matrix for the $100, and we'll start it all over again. With the $100, the 2 people will send you $200. The upgrade fee is $200, so there's no profit involved in level 1. Moves you automatically into level 4 and does this automatically, and will purchase you a new position in the level 2 matrix for $100 when you meet that level. So as you can see, all 3 of the levels work identical to each other. They just are a little bit more, and the amounts that are in blue are the only amounts that will come out of pocket. When you reach level 5 in the tortoise matrix, you will get a new position in the ambitious matrix worth $100. When you reach level 6 in the tortoise matrix, you'll get a new position in the liftoff matrix worth $500. When you reach level 6 in the ambitious matrix, you get a new position in the liftoff matrix worth $500. After you've purchased the position or positions in the tortoise matrix, you are welcome to buy 10 positions at a time, with a maximum of 20 positions per day in the ambitious matrix and in the liftoff matrix. There is no need for you to wait to get sponsored into the new matrix. You only pay the amount that is in the light blue for each position required to fill each matrix. 500, 100, And the people for slow and steady and most cost affordable is the $20 matrix. So there you have it. It's a simple process. Rinse and repeat. Get 2 people and do it over and over and again. Automatic positions are bought for you. Automatic upgrades are paid for you. And your money is automatically sent to your wallet. So there you go, folks. Crypto Builder. Let's reach this financial wealth together. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Watch the video several times if necessary, or get a hold of us on support. Thank you and have a great day.